Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Then scroll down, tap on Passwords and Security and click on Face Unlock. Enter your current login method, and when you're done, read the disclaimer. After that, click Next. Now tap on Done, and when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, all I need to do is swipe up, and as you can see, Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!